How can you cut through the noise and get your message across to the right prospective new clients? I know, after having worked with more than 5,000 direct advertisers over the last decade, that most companies have challenges with lead and demand generation, at least at a profitable rate. In Chapter 9, I break down step by step how you can create a hyper-profitable outreach campaign that can support your inbound marketing efforts and rocket fuel your growth. I'll explain why outreach and paid search are the 12-cylinder engine of your sports car, and why social media, SEO, and content creation, while important in the equation, are merely the nice, shiny wax in that car. And building a strong lead list is, in my opinion, one of the most important tasks for you to take on as a founder or a sales leader in order to ensure success. I give you 2 concrete examples of how I design highly effective outreach models for both direct and channel sales. And this is by no means an easy task, but utterly worth every single minute spent and can provide you with a 100x ROI. In fact, the most successful B2B and SaaS companies predominantly attribute the growth to getting this right.